Hello and welcome once again to my Bisaya Programming. So we are here in our series number 8 for Java comments. So before we proceed, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And do not forget also to comment down below if you have comments and suggestions. Then now, here we'll talk about comments in Java. So here, why we use them and how to use comments in right way. So in computer programming, comments are a portion of a program that are completely ignored by Java compilers. So they are mainly used to help programmers to understand the code. So for example, mga notes, uban pa. So consider this example. So we have here double slash, declare and initialize two variables. So this is an example of a comment. Kani. So this is completely ignored by Java compiler. Bisag magka wrong spelling pa kadira, wala na siya problema as long as that is a kanang comment, no? By using this double slash. Another example here, we have double slash print.output. So print the output, this one. So this is an example also of a single line comment. So here we have used the following comments: declaring and initialize two variables and print the output. So types of comments in Java. In Java, there are two types of comments. We have the single line comment and the multi-line comment. A single line comment starts and ends with the same line. To write a single line comment, we can use the double slash symbol. For example, this one here. Double slash symbol, hello world program example. Okay? But if you're going to use our Eclipse, for example, like this one, so we'll have our example here. Let's go to the package. For example, arithmetic. This one. So this is an example of a comment. So bisag magkaroon spelling pa kadira, and it will output yapon. Okay? So right click, run as Java application. Sa console niya, magkuhan siya. Okay? Sana nga i-clear. So sa console, sang itarongon ang console na to. Itong i-transfer dire. So 6, because the increment value of 5 is 6. So if wala pa kakibaon sa ning increment or decrement, you can check my previous video about ani. So now we will focus here on how to write comment in Java. Now, for example, we can, for example, here, this is the code, and this is my increment program in Java. So just like that. So seems like mura siya note lang. So kung ato ning i-listen diri, for example, 10. So the increment value of 10 is 11. Control is to save, right click, and run as Java application. 11 is the output for the console. So this is a comment. Okay, so we will go back. So again, to write a single line comment, you can use the double slash, like this one. And also this one. So another use of Java comment is to disable your code. Now, for example, if you're going to disable this code, pwede na po na siya. So meaning, ang output na is 10 because naka-disable man siya ang incremental nga kanang expression. So 10 siya. Okay? So meaning na-disable. Yara nang completely ignore ang mga text nga nasa sud sa comment. Okay? So we will go back here. Here we have used two single line comments. Hello world, the program example, and the friends hello world. So pwede po na siya, ana. Duha. 1, dire. Then 2, ikaduha na dire. Kani. Java compiler ignores everything from double slash to the end of line. Hence, it is also known as the end of line comment. Okay, muna na siya ang sa single line comment ha. This one. So let's move to the multi-line comment. When we want to write comments in multiple lines, we can use the multi-line comment. To write multi-line comments, we can use the slash, asterisk, then end with asterisk slash symbol. Now, for example, like this one, kani. And this one here. The opening, then the closing. So this is an example of multi-line comment. So ang output niya is the same here, hello world. Kay, as I said, ang kaninga comment, it will completely ignore. So ang gamit ra ani para namoy note, for example, yung i-note dira nga this code is for this one, this line is for this one, and so on. Para na magsunod ninyo nga mga programmers, at least makahibaw siya kung unsa ni nga pog para asa ni siya nga code. Okay? So here we have used the multi-line comment, this one, kaninga block. This is a multi-line comment. This type of comment is also known as a traditional comment. In this type of comment, Java compiler ignores everything from this one down to this one. So, iyara nang i-ignore. Bisag unsa pa na imong isuwat dira, iyara nang i-ignore. Okay? So, use comments the right way. One thing you should always consider that comments shouldn't be the substitute for a way to explain poorly written code in English. You should always write well-constructed and self-explaining code, and then use comment. Some believe that the code should be self-describing and comments should be rarely used. However, in my personal opinion, there is nothing wrong with using comments. We can use comments to explain complex algorithms, regex, or scenarios where we have to choose one technique among different techniques to solve problem. Kung mga specific problems lang, imo na siya nga tangan to, for example, imo na siya nga gi-modify and so on. So buton nimo comment dito para at least man lang inig-visit nimo di naka or nabay time nga makalimot ka kung para asa ni siya nga code, at least man nga dali ra nimo siya nga mahibaw-an. Okay? So note, in the most cases, always use comments to explain why rather than how and you are good to go. So why I put this one, because this is for the refresh button and so on and so on. So explanation. Okay? So that is for the series number 8 for Java comments. So let's go here for our Eclipse for the shortcut. Now if you want to have a comment here, so pwede na siya this one. So control, dayon click this kaning this slash, control slash to remove ana lang. So imong i-highlight kung asa nimo ganahan nga i-kuan, then control slash for the single line comment, naga single line comment sila tanan. Okay? So to undo, i-highlight ang tanan, imo i-move. Ganahan sa kang mag-multiline comment, you can control shift slash para may nani multiline comment siya. Okay? So, anara na siya. Actually, we can remove the Java comments. Pwede na po na siya, walay Java comment. Makaran na gihapon na siya. And as Java application. So, if you are new here and you don't know on how to download Eclipse, then you don't know on how to create class, you can visit my previous video, narana dito tanan. So just check it out na lang, and thank you for watching my video. So I guess that's all for Java comments. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and see you on the next episode of our Learning Java Basics for Newbie. Thank you, and once again, have a nice day.